Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to expand your reach and grow your audience globally, translating your WordPress site into multiple languages is a powerful strategy. Whether you're aiming to attract international visitors, improve engagement, or boost your SEO rankings, this simple step can make a huge difference. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of easily translating your WordPress website, helping you connect with a wider audience, and taking your site to the next level. Whether you're targeting a specific country or going worldwide, this is the perfect strategy to elevate your site. So, let's get started with the video. First, open your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click on Plugins and then select Add New. In the search bar, type gTranslate. This will bring up the plugin, which allows you to easily translate your website into multiple languages. Click Install Now, and then click Activate. This will enable the gTranslate plugin on your site, allowing you to easily add multilingual functionality. Once you've installed and activated the gTranslate plugin, it's time to configure it. Go to the installed plugins, find gTranslate, and click on Settings. Here, you can customize how your website will handle multiple languages. With the widget options, you can choose how to display the language selector on your website. Whether you prefer a floating widget, a drop-down flag, a global style, or several other creative designs, the choice is yours. Customize the appearance to fit your site's look and make it easy for visitors to switch between languages seamlessly. With gTranslate, you can easily manage which languages you want to offer on your website. Simply tick the boxes next to the languages you wish to enable and untick those you don't. This allows you to tailor your website's language options to your target audience, making it easier for visitors from specific countries to navigate your site in their preferred language. By selecting the right languages, you can enhance user experience and attract more international visitors, driving traffic from different regions directly to your content. On the translation settings form, the default language is set to English, as this is the language of your site. You can easily change it to your preferred language if needed. I want to set up the floating language selector for translations on my website. Specifically, I'd like the language flag and translation options to appear in the bottom left corner of my site for easy access by visitors. Make sure to save your changes to ensure everything is updated properly. Whenever I click on the flag, the content of the website is automatically translated into the selected language. This feature makes it easy for users to switch between different language versions of the site and access content in their preferred language. Let's enhance the language switcher on your website by giving it a modern and user-friendly look. Instead of a plain menu, we'll use a globe icon as the language selector. Update the globe icon's color to match your website's branding. Choose a color that stands out but complements your design, like a bright blue. After every update, don't forget to save the changes. When a visitor clicks on the globe icon, a pop-up will appear displaying the available languages. The user can then choose their preferred language from the list. Once selected, the content on your website will automatically translate to that language seamlessly. This design not only improves the aesthetic appeal, but also makes the user experience intuitive and engaging, ensuring visitors from around the world feel welcome. It's important to focus on the regions or demographics you want to reach. For example, if your audience is in Europe, consider adding French, German, and Spanish. If your business targets a global market, prioritize the most widely spoken languages like English, Mandarin, or Arabic. Remember, you can always start small with a few key languages and expand later as your audience grows. Another method to add the language switcher icon to your site is by using a shortcode. This method is incredibly flexible and allows you to place the icon anywhere on your website. First, choose the appearance of your language switcher. You can customize its look to match your website's design. Then, select the languages you want to display. Once you've configured the widget, locate the gTranslate shortcode in the plugin settings. Copy it. This shortcode can be inserted into posts, pages, widgets, or even custom sections of your site. If you're using Elementor to design your site, open the page or post where you want the icon to appear. Click on Edit with Elementor. In Elementor, use the search bar to find the shortcode widget. Drag and drop the shortcode widget where you want the G-Translate icon to appear. Paste the copied G-Translate shortcode into the widget. Click Apply, then publish the changes to make the language switcher icon live on your website. Once you've done this, the language switcher icon will appear wherever you place the shortcode, allowing visitors to easily switch between languages. As you can see, we have two language icons appearing on the screen. To clean up the display, let's remove the items in the bottom left corner. To do this, go to the settings and disable the floating language selector by selecting No. This will give your website a more streamlined, user-friendly appearance. To adjust the flag size and style, simply customize them here to match your website's design and preferences. Finally, once your site is multilingual. And that's it. You've now learned how to translate your WordPress website and reach a global audience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out more WordPress tutorials right here on the channel. Let me know in the comments what else you'd like to learn or how I can help you improve your website even more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again for tuning in, and make sure to check out our other WordPress tutorials to take your site to the next level.